my weather video over there, but I'll get outside and tell you the point of this video. Alrighty, I'm about to fix the satellite that I installed on the EOWS 812 channel. It decided to fall, and then once I come in, I'm gonna throw a big rock. It's huge. I'm gonna show you it right now. I'm gonna throw it at the neighbor's house, if I remember. First, I'm gonna reattempt to put this up back where it was, and if that doesn't work, I'm putting it somewhere else. Yep, it's going somewhere else. Right there. I might just do the basic this again. The cord just fell out of it. That's nice. Hold up. Good enough.